today you guys will discuss about gravitational gravity. We are starting a new chapter that is about the gravitation, and basically gravitation is all about the laws that are given by Newton. Basically, he's the only one person who researched about gravity and about the gravitational force. Basically, one day he was sitting under a tree, under an apple tree, and the apple fell off on his head, and then he started to examine that why this apple fell on his head but not move upward, just not move towards the sky, just only fall on the ground. So he started to research about it and he gave the gravitational law. So basically, there are four main forces in our universe, in our nature. Basically, there are a lot of forces, but these are the four main forces. Those are known as non-contact force. Uh, the first one is electrical force, second one is gravitational force, and then strong nuclear force and the weak nuclear force. Electrical force is present between the electric field, and the gravitational force is present in the environment. The strong nuclear force present in the nucleus. These four forces are divided into two main groups. The first one is the long range force that contains electrical and gravitational force, and the short range forces are the strong nuclear force and the weak nuclear force. And the MCQs that I found related to this topic is about the diameter of the nucleus, that is 10x power minus 4 meter. Uh, Basically, these four forces are known as non-contact forces, and Newton explained gravitational phenomena, but the Kepler, he is a scientist that explained the planetary motion. Planetary motion is all about the solar system motion. Then he gave three laws about planetary motion. Basically, planetary motion states that the heavier object always exists in center. He's talking about the sun in this one point, that the sun lies in the center in the solar system. And the second point is about the lighter bodies never fall towards the heavier body. He's talking about the planets, that the planets are just revolving around the sun, but they are not moving towards the sun. Then the third one is about the lighter objects always move around the heavier body, which is related to that each point is interconnected. Fourth one is uniform. Force is uniform in like planetary motion, and the fifth one is force of attraction is acting uniformly in planetary motion. It means from these points that the planets are just revolving around the sun, but they are not moving towards them, and they are just revolving, but they are not changing their positions, and this means that the force is uniform in planetary motion. This one is the MCQ. Then the Newton came and he gave the force of attraction between two masses, and he gave the gravitational force law about the who was given by Newton, and this states that the force of attraction between two masses of bodies is known as gravitational force. Basically, he put two masses, the first one mass and the second one mass, and he examined that there is a force that is present between these two bodies, and he gave and he found out that this is a force of attraction. He gave the name to this force of attraction is gravitational force. This is how he found out that there is a gravity, there's gravity present on Earth. For example, in, if I throw a ball from a building, we throw a ball from a building, so the ball will move towards downward towards the Earth because Earth is having gravity and it is attracting the ball, attracting the second mass of the ball towards itself. But what if I will throw the ball upward? What if I throw the ball in the sky area, but that ball will move downward just because Earth is having gravitational force and there's a force of attraction between Earth and ball. That's why Earth is attracting the ball and the ball is moving downward on different actions. Okay, so this is all for today, and I hope uh, that you guys are getting my point. Then in my next video, I will be discussing about the mass of Earth and the gravitational field and the gravitational field. And I hope that you guys will get back to my channel for the further topics. Thank you, and this is all for today.